Like I will cover two model. One is Aries model and another one is Pratt's model. Let's start with it. As you can see, I have written over here. I will differentiate both of them on the basis of diagram I have drawn here. As you can see, all the blocks have unequal height. Like this one is higher as compared to others. So Pratt says that all the blocks will have different density and all blocks will sink at equal depth, which is known as the depth of composition. You can see that no blocks is sinking below this depth. Okay, so the block which have lesser density will have higher height, higher topography, or it will be a high mountain as compared to the other blocks or landmass in an area. And in Aries model, you can see all the blocks are dipping at unequal at depth below the depth of composition. Like there is not equal depth, sinking of all the blocks, and all blocks will have equal density. As you can see from this diagram, this is for Aries model. I have written H1, H2, row 0, row 1, row 2 and T. Now I will tell you what this means. So H1 is H1 mountain, H2 is for this smaller mountain, and R1 is root of this H1 mountain, and R2 is root for H2 mountain. And you can also see that if H1 is higher as compared to H2, so it root will be higher as compared to H2, and T will be the thickness of crust, and rho C is density of crust, and rho M is density of mantle, which will lie after the moho. As you know that it is the boundary which separate crust and mantle, and D will be the thickness of oceanic crust, and oceanic crust will not have any root, so we will call it as anti-root or R naught. Okay, and this will be the formula of Aries model. R1 is equal to rho C upon Rm minus rho C into H1, and for anti-root of for oceanic crust we will have R0 or R0 equal to rho C minus rho W upon rho M minus rho C into D. Okay, now you see in Pratt's model all the blocks are dipping at an equal depth, and H1 mountain will not have any root which will be like greater or higher, because all are dipping at the same level. So I have mentioned rho C here, which will be the density of crust. D will be the density D will be the thickness of oceanic crust, and rho M will be the density of mantle, and D is the thickness of crust from here to here. Okay, so the formula for Pratt is rho I equal to D upon Hi plus D into rho C, and for the oceanic crust it will be rho naught equal to rho C D minus rho WD upon D minus D.
Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do hit the bell icon.